What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting this vlog a little late in the day because this is the last period, and I'm starting this a little late. So we'll see where this video goes. Maybe I might post it, maybe I might not. But just record. So we got the S10 and the oil lines.
Wait, so that's like antifreeze and shit in it too.
Open to unit 9. I gotta review.
American muscle. Ahora debería tomar. Subiendo de esto, fool.
Y'all go give him a follow on Instagram. Dama, aka Fat Boy. Alright, and then we got my mama. My cutie right here. Alright, I'll pick it up. And then this guy over here, BMW. It's cute, slow, it's cute.
Hey, did you hear him? He said his teeth
Oh,
on the freeway.
In Mesa, I'm known as the Ajo.
Because his
Oh,
teeth
because
food
it's Tahoe. Yeah.
Ajo la verga.
Everybody at Westwood, dog.
Oye, ajo.
I'm the, yeah. Damn.
Dang.
This close, dog.
Dang. Alright, but this boy, he did the rollers and then he did my intro, but y'all will see in this video. It's pretty sick. Oh wait. Yeah, like I leave my truck on. Alright, and then so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the vlog when we go home. Alright, back home. Get the two front tires for the
No, the hair over there, the switch. Over there, the compressor, the red switch. Hey, what you do?
Nothing.
Sit back or you're gonna go home.
Those are for the, that's for the truck. That's for your truck, Jaden. Look, let me see my foot. I already saw it. These are for this. Hey, that's clean.
So that's gonna be for the truck right there. We'll put them on. And then I also got I also got these LEDs for the reverse lights so that make them brighter. Watch, let me pop these out. Kind of broke the bag already. I got excited in the opening. But these are the reverse lights that I'm gonna be using. They're clean. So as you guys saw, unboxed. Don't ignore my bed. Ignore my bed. There you go. It's made. Ignore it. Alright, so now that we got the new tail lights, we're gonna put those on the truck. So wait for that video. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video we're gonna do today or another video. Let me know if y'all think the new tail lights are sick or not. I think they're sick. Got the new with the reverse LED lights. It's gonna be bright. Seriously. And we'll see if he lets me drive the Honda. Since it's thick shit. Probably make a video taking the stick shift Honda to school. So these are coming out, and then the LEDs. So I think he's gonna put the Honda in the garage. I'm gonna back up to here, and then we're gonna put it on maybe the LEDs. Honda's going to go out the garage. Alright, we'll see where the video comes after this. We'll see where this video goes. Decorated the house for Halloween.
Back it up or what?
Go back up the truck. So we can put on these LEDs. So I guess the LED tail lights are going into this video. See if I can do this one hand. So these reverse lights ended up turning out the red LEDs instead of the white or blue. What you say?
Shut up.
Well, we got one of them.
Shut up.
Comparison, there's the new one. There's the old one.
Yeah, these are the old ones.
And that's that, so it's gonna look clean. But yeah, we need to send these back and try to get the blue ones or the white ones. Boom, just like that.
Mister, you and a bad boy. Hey, what's up?
Move. Move. Move.
Shemaya!
I don't know him.
What's up?